Hello, Basha Bears. I'm Mrs. Davis, and today I'm going to share just a little bit with you about what the AP Capstone Diploma is all about. It's a unique offering we have here at Basha, and I teach the first course in the program called AP Seminar. I want you to come away from this video knowing why AP Seminar is a great opportunity for you in your learning and in your course of study here. So the first thing I want you to know is that the AP Capstone Diploma program, which is explained here, is actually a 2-year program where AP Seminar is year 1 and AP Research is year 2. And what happens is if you take those 2 courses and an additional 4 AP courses where you pass the exams, you can earn a separate diploma from the College Board. And this AP Capstone Diploma is considered a hallmark of your preparation for getting into colleges and universities and having the skills necessary to be successful in the university system. So the AP Capstone Diploma program was really developed by universities to help fill some what they considered gaps in what current students' skills were. And so one of the things that we focus on in AP Seminar, the first course, is really some skills that aren't covered in other AP courses. These include presentation skills and extended research skills, meaning that you're not doing a timed writing all the time in your college courses. You're doing extended research. So we do extended research papers in my course as well. The other thing is presentation skills being vital for not just a university, but also a job and workforce habit. So we do presentation skills as frequently as possible in order for you to be prepared for both your future academic or your future career prospects. So I want to go into a little bit about what AP Seminar is all about. Here we have the QUEST framework. It's really the outline of what we focus on as far as the skills are concerned. We focus on questioning, understanding and analyzing, so that's in reading argument and reading research, evaluating multiple perspectives so that our research is balanced and that we can look at the different sides of an argument, synthesizing those ideas into our own research writing, and team transform and transmit for the T, which means our presentation skills where we work collaboratively and independently in order to present our information to an audience in a way that will engage them and will hopefully inform them as well. So with that QUEST framework, the AP Seminar program next year is offered in 2 capacities on Basha's campus. One, you can take it as an elective, as always has been offered. So if it's an elective course, you would likely be a junior or even a senior electing to take this course. Now, the new option is that as a sophomore, which I've had many sophomores take the course over the last 4 years, we've had it here, you can take it and at the same time as your Honors English 10 class. So your Honors English 10 class is going to have AP Seminar within it, embedded into that course. So what that does is change the Honors 10 curriculum a little bit to focus more on nonfiction. Sorry about that, Belle. What you can do is take your Honors English 10 curriculum, and we're going to use more of a focus on the nonfiction, the research writing, and of course the argument that is a part of AP Seminar. However, you're still going to accomplish what you need to do for Honors Sophomore 10 English. So what you have is a couple of novels that you'll be choosing to read independently or with our class, and we'll continue to do the English standards so that you'll get both credits. So you'll get the transcript credit for your Honors English 10 required course, and you'll also get AP Seminar credit for taking and passing that exam. Now, I will say this, if you're going to take it as a sophomore and it's going to be part of your English class, you do need to take the exam. This is not an opt-out exam course because what we have in our course is an alternate exam format. That means that the AP Seminar exam encompasses 2 performance tasks prior to the end of course exam. So you still have a regular AP exam on an AP exam weekday, and you'll sit down for a timed period and write 2 essays, or you'll do an argument analysis and then write a synthesis essay. But we also have portfolio components. And what that means in our class is that you're working for a couple months in second or third. We really start at the beginning of second semester, but from second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter, you'll be working on extended research projects, and that's part of your AP score. So it goes into a digital portfolio that College Board will be collecting and using as a part of what determines your final AP exam score. So it doesn't all ride on that single one test day. That's why you can't opt out of the exam. And there is a fee for that. So just be aware, if you take it as a sophomore, and this is going to be in your honors English class, you will have to take that exam and be anticipating that those fees will apply. If you have any questions, you can visit the College Board website and look up the AP Capstone program. You can also come into Bash's school when we are in person and we are here and ask questions to me in F215, or you can always email me at davis.ericaL@cust80.com. And you can find my information on our Basha High website as well. So I hope that some of you are going to be wanting to take this opportunity for an advanced course early on in your high school years, and that you'll be looking for the opportunities that it will open as far as getting into colleges and universities and getting that capstone diploma if you also take AP Research with Mrs. Miller. So please let me know if you have any questions or concerns and you want to talk about this program more. Thank you.